Hello, welcome to MoonStone. Today we will learn how to remove background from any photos online for free. So firstly, we have to go to the remove.bg website. You can search on Google. After opening the website, you first sign up to get one HD free image, up to 25 megapixels. You can remove the background without signing up. After signing up, click on Upload Image button. Then select your image. Now it's removing the background. Wow, done. We removed the background within seconds by just one click. Now you can download the HD photos if you have credit, or you can just download good quality photos for completely free. Just click on the download button. Now we are downloading HD photos for 1 credit. Okay, now let's check the downloaded images. This is before with background, and this is after removing the background. Look at the quality of the photo. Amazing. So that's all. From now, you can remove the background from your photos with just one click for free. If this video helps you, please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want more videos on tech solutions.